Hey guys, and welcome back. We are here with another deep dive of a group that I feel that I should be familiar with because I've been listening to NCT since they debuted. But I literally had no idea that this was a thing. I am so out of the loop. But we are here. This is what got voted. This was a close vote, by the way. I thought we were going to get a different choice, but NCT Wish came out on top at the end. And I believe that these are all different members. They're not members that I'm familiar with. Yeah, we're going to start with Poppop. Okay, Nayeon. Meet at drink tomorrow?
오늘만 여는 캔디 스토어 한 사람만 꼭 기다려온 구름구름 점수다 만들어 우린 부드럽게 어울려 비슷비슷 별빛 속에 소다팝처럼 입속 가득 주시한 마법을 꿈처럼 electric electric 짜릿짜릿하지 baby baby so special 이 순간을 영원히 기억할래 세상이 팝팝 터져
So going Hey.
전부 다만 선물로 줄래 너대한 색이 절대 변하지 않게 one time 그래 난 바라볼게 I love it
Hey.
I want it to keep my heart 우리끼리 남들 다른 건 필요 없는데 이젠 다 알잖아 I'm your favorite thing
Harmonies? What are these vocals? Okay, it's him in the yellow, I see him. Hey! I want it, girl. Hey, hey, hey! Shut up. Hey! Pick him up! They piss me off. Cute. So he's gonna go confess. Hi, teen. That had no business being that good. We're going straight to the dance. Get out of here. That was... Okay.
오늘만 여는 캔디 스토어 한 사람만 꼭 기다려온 그름그름 첨사다 만들어 우린 부드럽게 어울려 속에 소다밥처럼 입속 가득 주시한 마법을 꿈처럼 Oh yeah Electric it's electric 짜릿짜릿하지
Hey.
Baby baby so special 이 순간을 영원히 기억할래 세상이 팝팝 터져 우리 둘만의 얘기가 막 시작되는데 내게 담아줄게 I'm your favorite day 너만 맞춰도 나를 This love is so sweet
Hands, relax.
애니 속에 주인공은 너와 나야 밥인 내 맘에 톡톡 입속에 팝 그렇게 코인
This chorus is so fucking good. Hey! I think that's my favorite part.
I love it. It's like a magic, so love holic. I want it. To keep my heart. 우리끼리는 배다른 건 필요 없는데 이제 나잖아. I'm your favorite thing.
Wow.
멋진 기분. 애니 속의 주인공은 너와 나야. 내 맘에 톡톡 입속에 팝. 블록사이 거인 빗물이 팝. 해피다리 때인 꼬라가 팝. Feeling go pop, feeling go pop. 조여름의 반디 불처럼 팝. 구름 위로 내밀
Him.
햇살이 팝. I'm about to let my feeling go pop, feeling go pop, feeling go pop. Pop, pop, make it pop, 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 make it pop like pop, 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 make it pop, pop, pop. 좀 더 가까이 와줄래?
And I love this because it's a long bridge. I love a long bridge.
Cause all that I wanted was you. Baby,
And they are. Lots of ad-libs going on in the background. Hey! Hey! That run? Yeah! Mmm. 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 That was... Yeah. Okay, I get it. I get it. Oh. I feel like that's gonna be really difficult to... That was so fun. Okay. Next we have... Surf. Taxi. Okay, we're actually going surfing.
가보자. 이제 우리 서핑할 줄 아는 사람. 형이 할 줄 아는 거 아니었어요?
응? 근데 저 할 수 있어요.
진짜?
진짜? Silly. Throwback? The horns! Ooh. Show me up. Ooh. That they're slapping the fuck out of that bass.
Okay, 내가 너를 많이 알아 네 표정 네 그룹에 몸짓다 보면 오늘 기분이 어땠나 오늘따라 온종일 up and down 의심이구나 내가 풀어줄 기회잖아 자 밤을 쳐 담은 저기로 어디로 갈지 말해줘 레디오 마지도 we fly 우리 기분 너무 높아게 무대 위에 죽인 우리 이름은 새빨간 터진 때도 지금 마주하는 감정은
Yeah.
바람을 씹어 용기는 마르게 것 같아 둘만의 배 너 위로 잡은 해 이대로 놓지 말아줘
This is a very cute chorus. I can't get over that bass. Okay. Wow. Wow! We're 2 for 2. Let's watch the damn dance. Period. Ooh, nice. What does he have on ski goggles? They're going surfing. Ooh. With the little oohs in the background.
Okay, 내가 너를 많이 알아 네 표정 네 그룹에
Yay!
오늘 기분이 어땠나 오늘따라 온종일 up and down 의심이구나 내가 풀어줄 기회잖아 자 밤을 쳐 담은 저기로 어디로 갈지 말해줘 레디오 마지도 we fly
Dink, dink, dink.
우리 기분 너무 높아게 무대 위에 죽인 우리 이름은 새바다 속에 흩어진 때도 지금 마주하는 감정
Yeah.
바람을 실어 용기는 마르게 더 깊게 내게 빠질 것 같아 너만의 way 너 위로 잡은 해 이대로 놓지 말아줘
This is such a good chorus. Hey!
Okay.
Yes! That was so good. Wow. We're just gonna go to the next one. I don't have a lot to say. I'm really having a fun time right now. Next we have Color.
This is the time.
Is it?
Prism color. We set up, yeah. 흑백만 멋있다는 세상에 shine brighter, yeah. 성계의 색깔을 외칠래. 끈 붙들고, we paint this town. 무적의 crayon 전제적한 네 맘도 흠뻑 젖어. 비밀스런 어딘가 너는 별을 숨겼어. 장난스레 나를 당겨 같이 찾자 해. 그대 이saltan 낮아. 둥둥한 빛이 지기 같으면 안아줘 뜨겁게 시간은 너무 빨라.
Hey! There's a lot of sounds. Color! Was that like a... Hilarion? Hey! There's so much going on. Come on. I love that the bring out the color.
까만 밤이 아름답게 물들고 기적은 꿈이 가까이 있잖아 안아줘 뜨겁게 시간은 너무 빨라 그때처럼 번져본
Hey! I love that! Favorite part. But also this part. Got the color. Hey! That might have been my favorite one. So, oh, there was so much going on, like just production wise. There was so many weird sounds. Oh, shit! And the dance looks so good. Whatever. I'm turning off the caps. He said.
This is the time, the prism color. We set up, yeah.
This is the most NCT sounding one. in the background there's like it sounds like a kind of like a bassoon, not even like a sax. It sounds like a bassoon. Ooh, there's so much. Let me turn it up. What am I doing? I love the little. That's so good. Yes, slow motion. Ooh. This bridge is amazing. Voice. They kind of double time it at the end there. That was that was amazing. I love the structure of the song. It had a little bit of everything. All right. Oh, that was so good. That one's my favorite one so far. And the other two were so good, but that one is 100% my favorite. Okay, next we have is Songbird. I picked the Korean version. It had more views than the other one, but I'll probably listen to the other version in my own time. But here we go, Songbird. That was so good. It's immediately giving JT. Sorry. Which I love. Ooh. Turning this up. Oh shit! That was, I got chills. That made my whole body malfunction. The layer vocaline. Wait, while he's rapping, shut up. Our voices together. This group is so fucking peak. Where are we? We're suddenly... Is he wearing a tutu? As he should. Oh, we didn't get it that time.
Sing for you.
It got a little creepy. Oh. Give me it again.
Little Songbird, little Songbird, little Songbird. Yeah, little Songbird. Sing the melody, I get it now.
Oh, I wish they did it again. I probably couldn't handle it. We're just going to the dance.
Feels good. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Rage hour. Wait a moment. 흥얼거리는 멜로디. 가벼워진 채 going down, going down. 맑게 부리는 불. 열어닫힌 문 넘어 슬산. 날개를 펼쳐 더 높이. 단한 걸음에 잠긴 your heart. 네 어깨 위에서 보고 싶은 꿈. 어디든 give me fly. Let's fly. 하늘을 넘어 fly, oh fly. 함께라면 let's fly. 이 노래 멈추지 않아. Sing the melody, yeah.
There's like 4 voices. It might be all of them. I love the guitar. Dum, dum. It sounds like a piccolo or like a flute. I like that they put 2 of them in shorts. So nice. These last two songs have felt very NCT.
Little songbird, little songbird, little songbird. Yeah, little songbird. Sing the melody, I get it now.
Yeah, they know they ate that. They know they ate that. You better wink! You better wink! I'm tired. We still have one more song. Oh, this one's so short. It's only 1:45 minutes. Alright. This is NASA performance video.
T-minus 10 seconds. We are go for launch. We going up, like NASA.
Boom, 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 boom,
We
boom,
going
boom, boom.
up,
작은 하루와 so long 기꺼이 sign no stop 세상의 소리쳐 in the air on the bass we going up like NASA let's start no cap we going up like NASA 크게 다스 움직여 we going up like NASA 모든 걸 태워서 불을 지펴 3, 2, 1 let's go give it down now we going up like NASA we going up like NASA okay
Ooh. Very clubby. Hello, leg work? My goodness. My legs would break. Ugh! Again? Don't tell me that's it! Hey! This is a crime. 145? A crime. Wow, what a good... We're definitely listening to more of their songs because I saw they had a lot more videos. We're going to do that. Thanks for voting. We'll do another voting very soon. Some people have been asking me why I haven't been like putting up girl groups. I know a lot of girl groups. Like a lot. Like 99% of them. Even if I don't know like the members of the groups, I still am a casual listener of a lot of girl groups, which is why I don't post a lot of like reactions to girl groups. So just wanted to throw that out there. I'm not ignoring girl groups. I'm a very big girl group fan. I just not familiar with as many boy groups, especially the newer gen. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what songs you like of NCT Wish that I haven't heard, and of these songs, which one is your favorite? Because I'm curious. For me, I think it's Colors for 100%. 100%. But yeah, follow me on my TikTok if you haven't. Choose the for 2 W's to R's, just like on here, where I post a lot more frequently on there, and I'm trying to transition over here. We'll get it done when we can. But yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. God, they're good.